Chapter 10. Breaking news. Scientific laws just decided to obey themselves. All right, folks, let's talk about scientific laws. You know, those things that make the universe function in a way that keeps us from spontaneously combusting or floating into space on a Tuesday. According to modern atheist scientists, we don't need a reason for why these laws exist or stay the same. Nope, they just are. Bro, stop asking questions. Gravity just does its thing, okay? Oh, really? So let me get this straight. The law of gravity? Random. The laws of motion? Total accident. The laws of thermodynamics? Just lucky, I guess. The fact that your coffee cup doesn't teleport into another dimension every morning? Pure coincidence. But don't worry, science has an answer. The universe just happens to be this way. Things stay the same because they do. Maybe there are infinite universes where things aren't stable, and we just won the cosmic lottery. Truly groundbreaking logic. If laws are random, why do scientists depend on them? Let's play a game. If you truly believed all of reality is just a chaotic accident, would you? Wake up expecting your feet to hit the ground. Expect your car to obey the laws of physics. Trust that atoms will still be atoms. Demand consistency in lab experiments. Spoiler alert. You already assume order exists. But wait, according to atheist scientists, the universe exploded into existence from nothing, and somehow physics decided to be consistent ever since? Translation. The universe created laws that control itself. So now laws just make themselves. Are they conscious? Do they have free will? Do they hold meetings? I mean, come on. Even a toddler knows that rules don't make themselves, somebody has to set them. The Great Atheist Double Standard. Atheist scientists be like, randomness caused everything. But we expect everything to obey fixed, non-random laws. Pick a lane, buddy. Imagine applying this logic to anything else in life. Your country's laws. No one made them. They just evolved, bro. That building, no architect. The bricks randomly assembled over time. That book, no author. The letters arranged themselves by accident. Notice how no one actually lives this way? Atheists' favorite excuse. It just works. When pressed on why the laws of science exist, the best answer an atheist can give is, if the laws of nature weren't reliable, we wouldn't be here to ask the question. Oh wow, that's deep, bro. You basically just said, things work because if they didn't work, we wouldn't be able to notice that they don't work. This is like saying, my TV works because if it didn't work, I wouldn't be watching it. Great job, Einstein. That doesn't explain why it works. Atheists' last hope, the Multiverse Escape Hatch. When faced with undeniable fine-tuning and order, atheist scientists panic and say, maybe there are infinite universes and we just live in the lucky one. Ah yes, the great imaginary multiverse. The atheist's magic wand that explains everything without proving anything. Problem. There's literally zero evidence for this. But atheists tell us, it doesn't have to be observed, it's just real. Trust us. Oh really? So now you believe in things you can't see or test. Congrats, you just invented religion. The Bible had it right from the start. While atheists scramble to explain why the universe actually works, the Bible already told us why. Genesis chapter 1, verse 1. In the beginning, God created the heavens and the earth. Not in the beginning, physics randomly created itself. Colossians chapter 1, verse 17. In him all things hold together. That includes gravity, time, and the fact that atoms don't randomly explode. Hebrews chapter 1, verse 3. He upholds the universe by the word of his power. So no, it's not just floating in a sea of chaos. Meanwhile, modern atheists say, the universe just obeys itself, bro. Yeah, no thanks. Final thoughts. So let's sum it up. Science depends on fixed, reliable laws. Atheists say the universe was a random accident, but they still expect laws to remain the same. Yet they have no explanation for why laws exist in the first place. So tell me again, who's really trusting the science? If you believe in predictable laws, guess what? You just admitted the universe was designed. But don't worry, the atheists will be back tomorrow, using the laws of physics to argue that physics created itself, while cashing in their research grants.